I see. In fact, chickens enjoy eating these fermented. You can see here we have duck, we have broilers, we have noilers, we have different breeds of birds here. Hello. May I use this opportunity to thank all my fans and subscribers all over the world. May God continue to bless you in your poultry and agri-business endeavors. Wherever you are watching me from, I remain your humble servant, Dr. Leonard Charles Nwogu. Today, I have come with a special topic: how to use fermented banana and plantain flowers. This is exactly what I'm talking of here. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? This is what I'm talking about. Are you seeing it? This is highly nutritious plant. Helps to reduce the cost of feeding your poultry and livestock animal. I have delivered a content on this, but that is on organic poultry. That is where you make use of the extract, the juice from this, to boost the immune system and at the same time enhance their growth and productivity. But in this particular content, we are now going to use it to reduce our feeding costs. Now relax, let me tell you the nutritional value of this particular plant, this particular flower. Many farmers cut this and throw it away. What we are doing is converting waste to wealth in poultry agribusiness. As they throw this away, even some farmers even cut this off before the banana or plantain itself ripes, believing that when they cut it off, it makes the banana itself or plantain to grow bigger. So you see, here you are not cutting it off to throw it away, you are cutting it off to make use of it to reduce the cost of your feeding. I'm going to guide you on the nutritional value, how to ferment it, how to make use of it to feed poultry and agribusiness, and at the same time the dosage and how to apply it. Relax, let's get there. The rising costs of feed for poultry and livestock animals is a major concern for all farmers globally. But nature offers a sustainable and budget-friendly solution: fermented banana and plantain flowers. These nutrient-rich flowers provide essential vitamins, minerals, and proteins, helping to maintain animal health and productivity without compromising quality. This guide explores the history, nutritional benefits, and practical application of banana and plantain flowers for poultry and livestock feeding. Now, let's start with banana flower, which is Musa species. Banana flower have been used in traditional medicine and cooking for centuries across Africa and Asia. They are commonly harvested from banana trees and utilized for their high nutritional content. The leaves and the cobs are rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, and vitamin B complex, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium, fiber, and protein. They contain antioxidants which helps boost immunity in poultry and livestock animals. They enhances growth and boost immunity, improve digestion, and promote healthy skin and feathers. They help in reducing stress and improve productivity in poultry and livestock animals. How healthy is this, and what health condition can this particular flower handle in poultry? They can treat digestive issues, anemia, and boost the immune system. They can be effective against respiratory problems and support recovery from infections. For livestock and poultry that can benefit from this particular flower for banana and plantain: one, you have the chicken, you have the duck, you have the geese, you have the guinea fowl, you have the goat, you have the sheep, you have the pig, you have the cattle, and both all the feathered and four-legged animals can benefit. They can enjoy this perfectly. How do you administer it? Ferment the flour by soaking in water for 3 to 5 days to enable it to soften. extract or dehydrate the fermented banana and plantain flour to reduce excess water. Mix the fermented product with feed or other ingredients or supplements that is needed to produce a very good quality poultry and livestock feed. What it means here is that you don't feed it alone and believe that it is balanced. No single feed ingredient, I repeat, no single feed ingredient can give a complete balanced ration. That's why we inculcate different feed raw materials to make the feed balanced in energy, fat, protein, vitamins, and minerals. Now, administer the fermented flour to poultry beds. Poultry 5 to 10 kg per bed. Livestock 50 to 100 kg per bed, depending on the size of the livestock. Now, plantain flour, which is Musa paradisica. This is the botanical name. The plantain flour have a long history of use in various cultures as both for food and medicine. They have been traditionally used to enhance livestock health due to their nutrient-dense properties. You can see that the plantain and banana are similar, but there are some nutrients that is in plantain that is not in banana, and there are some that are in banana that are not in plantain. That's why I separated them, for you to have a very good idea, so that if you are doing this, try and mix the two so that you get the best. Now, it contains vitamin A, vitamin B1, B6, vitamin C, and vitamin E. It contains iron, calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, and dietary fiber, and at the same time zinc. They are rich in protein and beneficial fat and natural antioxidants. They promote growth, boost the immune system, improve egg production, and enhances overall health, and assist in maintaining health and gut flora that improves feed efficiency and feed consumption. They help prevent digestive disorders, strengthen bones, support muscles development, and at the same time combat infections. They are effective in reducing to the barest minimum the inflammation and improving blood circulation in poultry and livestock animals also. What birds can benefit from this? Chicken also, quails, duck, goat, sheep, pig, and cattle, and other fed birds. How do you administer it? Ferment the flour, mix it with water, and allow it to sit for 3 to 5 days. Offer it to your poultry bed after extracting the water, dehydrate it completely, and mix with your commercial feed or with your do-it-yourself feed, or the feed you do in your farm. You can mix it with them and serve to your poultry beds. Poultry 5 to 10 kg per bed, livestock 50 to 100 per animal. Adjust according to the size and age of the animal. Watch how to slice it and how to ferment it, and at the same time how to administer it to your poultry beds. Let's go there. You need to cut the banana and plantain stem into smaller particles. This process will enable the fermentation process to take effect immediately. And this is what's going on here now. We're just cutting them into smaller units because we are using the manual method, not the mechanical method. What I'm doing here, we still have the threshing machine that can cut this for you. But in absence of the machine in your farm, you can still use your kitchen knife to do the work. The only difference is the time consumption will be different. After cutting into smaller particles, pour into a bowl and add enough water to cover it, and at the same time add probiotics. The same way we applied it in the fermentation of plantain stem. Add probiotics or enzyme to quicken the fermentation process so that it will get done within 3 to 5 days. In absence of the probiotic, it can last up to a week before it can be fermented. On daily basis, make sure you open the container and turn the
stems that is inside the water always. This will help to emit the gas that have been accumulated, and at the same time to nourish and refresh the substance that is the stem in the water. You can see the fermentation process have taken place. It's right now starting. This is the process. So do this continuously on daily basis for 3 to 4 days. On the 5th day, it will get softer. Then what to do is to extract, remove the excess water and dehydrate the stems, then mix with the feed. You can use the commercial feed. You can also use, you are do it yourself. Here you need to mix the feed ingredients right properly. Here, you can see the ingredients here: the corn, the soya bean, the pancake cake, the feed that is made up of all corn, the ingredients. Mix them together cake, before you now give it to your chickens. You can see, are you seeing it? And others. Here the chickens are taking care of themselves. They are being served. You can see that they are enjoying this feed right away. You can use it to feed their broiler, turkey, geese, duck, guinea fowl, and the rest.
This is to tell you that the feed is palatable to them. You can see them. You can see how they are enjoying the feed. You can see it. You can see them. You can see them eating it. Even dog. Incorporating fermented banana and plantain flours into poultry and livestock diet provides an affordable and nutrient-rich alternatives to conventional feeds. These flours offers a wide range of health benefits, from boosting immune system to improving digestion and overall growth. By adopting this cost-effective feeding method, farmers all over the globe can reduce expenses while ensuring the health and productivity of their animals. Please, this approach is good to enrich the diet of every livestock and poultry, making it an excellent choice for a farmer or any farmer anywhere to optimize the animal health without breaking the bank. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, this is the right time for you to subscribe. Be a part of this family, and at the same time, share this video to reach more farmers who are in need of a content like this. Remember, some of your friends have already run out of the poultry business because of high cost of feed. This is the right time you bring them back and tell them about this particular channel where they can get the best knowledge to run their poultry and agri business more profitable and effectively. Thank you once again for my subscribers, and if you have any question at all regarding poultry and livestock animal, drop it on the comment section. I will always attend to them. And if there is any portion of this particular video that you do not understand, ask on the comment section. I will also reply you and give you guidance. Thank you once again for being with me till now. Don't go far. Another good topic is loading very soon.